everybody. Today we're going to go ahead and demonstrate a brand new 42-inch chest freezer. So the brand of this unit is going to be our own brand called Cooler Depot. You can take a look at it. Got the sticker right here in the front as well as the top left corner. Now let's go ahead and first give you overall dimensions for this unit. So for the length, you're going to be looking at an overall of 42. For the depth, you're going to be looking at about 26 inches. And from the bottom to the top, overall height, you're looking at about 34 inches from bottom to top. Now this unit does come with the wheels, casters on the bottom. As you can take a look, it makes it easier to move around if you need to move it around. Got 4 wheels. Let's go ahead and give you overall dimensions of the inside now. So for your length, inside length, you're going to be looking at about 37 inches of length. Top to bottom 21. And overall inside height, you're looking at about 28 inches. So this unit does come with 3 baskets inside, as you can take a look. You got 3 baskets. You got enough space, to store whatever you might need to store in here. You also are going to be provided with a instruction manual book, as well as a scooper. This can be used for the ice that develops on the walls. It's pretty much just to clear it out whenever it develops ice on the walls. You also get a set of keys for the doors, the sliding doors, to close it up. You can close these doors up, so you will have those keys for the doors. Now, if you follow me over here in the back, you'll be able to locate. If you follow me over here to the side, you'll be able to locate your drain over here. You got a water drain that is located in the inside, and that runs out through over here on your right hand side of the unit. Now in the back, you'll locate a sticker right here regarding the unit. You'll be able to locate your ETL certification. Also in there, you'll find information like amperage, voltage, wattage, all the refrigerant, all the information on the unit you can locate right there. Now over here on your other side, you'll locate your plug. It is going to be standard 110 unit, so it's a 110 plug. You'll also locate your adjuster over here. It will go from 0 to 7, so pretty much 1 is going to be your smallest cold, and 7 will be the most cold that it can reach. So there's a green light right here that indicates the running of the unit, and red light indicates the power. So that's pretty much it regarding this unit. If you have any other questions, feel free to contact us. You can find this unit on our website, coolerdepot.usa.com. We'll update pricing for this unit as well as more information and pictures. You can also make a purchase on the website for this unit. So like I said, if you have any other questions regarding this unit, give us a call and help you guys out. Thank you for